Alright guys, so today we're continuing the second night of Five Nights at Candy's 2. So let's just get straight into it. I'm not ready for this.
So why you make the video?
What the heck is he doing? Crap, what is he doing? Okay. Okay, he's right there. No, she disabled the phone. More. I heard banging. I heard banging. I heard banging. I heard banging. I'm calling it. Calling it. Where's the banging from, man? I hear banging. I hear banging. Yo, Sydney's annoying, man. Yo, go, man. Leave me alone. Ah, come on. Follow you there. Okay, this is just strange, bro. So, he's gonna try to bang the vents. Alright, camera 15. I just need a, oh. Go. What type of place is this? Okay, oh crap, she disabled it. Okay, okay, so, oh, she disabled 2 phones at a time, bro? No. One more, one more, one more. Yo, this is crazy. Oh, shoot, she's there. Go away. So, no, I don't think so. Sorry about that, guys. I just really wanted to know something, so I told him. Alright, so. For more. Go. Go to the room that I called you to! Go! Thank you, God. So annoying. Should be another 2 minutes until this night is finished. Notice that there's a little crack on the screen back there. Oh, no more banging sounds. I call you to here. Oh, wrong room! Yo, my phone keeps going off, man. She's right there. Oh, shoot. I can get both of them at once if I just... $15. Crap, she's there. More! Oh, he's there. Call, hang up. Shoot, man. Oh, wrong room! Oh, no! Oh, thank God. Yes! That took way too long. I actually just got jump scared there. Oh my God. I'm not gonna edit this one. I'll just upload this raw. Oh no. 1 out of 3. Oh no. Oh, I bet this is what happened to that one animatronic. You remember in FNAF 1 where there was an animatronic skeleton with blood? I bet this is what this is. They tore apart him and took his... I'm just basing this off of the FNAF 1 map. So it's down this hallway, right? I believe so. Turn to the left. Yep, here it is. 2 out of 3. What do we do, bruh? What do I do? Second piece. Through here. Let's go get that last piece. Down here to the left. Actually, no, faster way's down here. Alright. Through here? No? Wait, so I feel like the map is changing. Oh yeah, down here. Down here. To the left, to the right. Grab this last piece. keyboard is glitching. Through here? I think it's through here. No? Alright. Alright, through up here? Yep. Then right here. Into here. Okay. No, I think the last piece has to be through here. Yep. I kind of don't want to go over there, but I have to. Oh no, I'm gonna get jump scared, bro. Come on, don't get jump scared. The last piece. Alright, let's hurry up. So up here, alright. Please don't be someone waiting there, alright. Maybe, actually, I kind of feel like we should unlock that door. No? Alright. You can only do one thing. Let's put this thing away. Alright, so that was night 2. Kinda happy about that. That was pretty cool. I liked it. Overall, wasn't bad. So yeah, like, subscribe, tell me in the comments below if I should continue playing this. It hit 10, 11 views in one night, so in my defense, it's pretty good. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time.